Do you know the difference between a Toby Jug and just a normal mug? If not, today in this video I'm going to show you the difference between a Toby mug and just a normal mug, and another 8 others in this video. But before I get into it, if you could, please, it'd be much appreciated if you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and if you could leave a lovely comment. I'm not going to tell you the mugs until the end. I want you to guess. Have a guess up to 9. I think there's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, there's 9. So each one I'm going to show you. If you have a guess in the comments and say 1, 2, blah, 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 I'm going to show you this one first. Tell me if you know what it is. We've got this one. Let's say I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm just going to show you it. So you've got that one. Then you've got this one. This one has 2 different names. Well, it probably has more than 2 different names, but this one, in my books, only has 2 different names. You've got this one. This one also has 2 different names. Yeah, you got that one. Then you've got this one. You got that one. That one only has 1 name, I think. Well, yeah, we're not going to get into that just yet. You've got this one. Does anyone know what this is? Pretty cool. If you do know, make sure you leave it in the comments. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. This is number 5. See that one? You've got this one. Have you got any idea what this is? Oh, I nearly showed you. Hopefully I didn't actually give it away. It actually says it on the bottom. You've got this one. You got that one. Do you know what that is? You've got this one, which this one's quite difficult. So if you do get it, I'm gonna give you a round of applause, because this one I had to do some research on, because I didn't know what it was myself. Got that one, and you've got this one. You got this. Right then, now I'm going to start over, and I'm going to tell you what each one is. So in the future, you're like, instead of going, hey, that's a Toby Jug, or hey, that's a mug, if you don't know what it is, okay, you're going to know what it is. Okay, so first of all, I call this a basic mug. This is boring. I don't normally collect these, but this one, well, I've got ADHD now, so I thought it's a bit matching. But this is a basic mug. It's not really what I collect. There's a very handful of mugs like this that I do collect. I don't really like them because I think they're boring. Okay, yeah, so that's a basic mug. Now you've got this here. This either can be called a 3D mug. You can call it a 3D mug. Or people call it a character mug, because it's a character. So you can either call it a character mug or a 3D mug. Now this one, on the other hand, is another 3D mug, but it's a mini 3D mug, or a mini 3D character mug. It's much smaller than the one beforehand. It's a miniature mug. You got that one. Then you've got this one here. This one here is called a stainless steel coffee mug. stainless steel mug. I mean, you don't have to have coffee in it, you can have something cold in it. You've got this one. This one is a Toby Jug. This one's probably more older, it's bigger. So obviously, okay, you can kind of understand where the jug comes from, because that would be a massive cup of tea. But that is the Toby Jug. Pretty cool. My favourite choice, or the best choice I can find. You've got this one. This one is a normal size tiki mug. This is a normal size tiki mug. Alongside with the one next to it, this one was a mini tiki mug. So there's the one next to it, the big one and the mini one. You've got the big tiki, normal tiki, and the mini tiki. So yeah, you got them ones. Then this one here, I had a lot of research on it first, now I know what they are. This one here is called a goblet or a chalice. A goblet or a chalice. That's what that is. It's a goblet or a chalice. Then last but not least, this one here is called I think it's called a stein or a stein. I think it's called a stein. This is a stein. This is a stein. It's heavy. It's cool, and if I'm not mistaken, they used to drink this beer from them. It's a stein. Yeah, so that's the difference between all the different kind of mugs. I do have a few other mugs that I think I can add to the list, but at the moment in time, they're the only ones that I can get. So yeah, I appreciate everyone watching. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you leave a couple of comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Speak to you all in a bit.